Hi, I'm Rashad Ahmed, and I'm running an intensive workshop on how to find bliss in your life. Many of us struggle to find joy in life, in what we're doing, in our work, in our family, in our relationships, with life in general. Many of us feel very disconnected from the true essence of who we are and what we are. And it took me a long time to discover that the joy that I was looking for outside of myself was available to me inside of myself. And I've seen many memes and many posters showing that joy can only be found within, not outside of ourselves. And I never understood what that meant. So I went on an entire journey to restructure my life, to find out the meaning of my life and what truly made me happy and how to achieve those things that I ultimately wanted. After many years of investigation and discovery and spending countless hours with clients, I've discovered that how we're perceiving life and the meaning that we attach to life has a huge part to play in how much we enjoy life or how much we suffer life. With the tools and techniques I'm going to share with you, you're going to discover that joy, bliss, ecstasy, and all those emotions that you once felt as a child can be felt again. We will discover the importance of being still inside, the importance of your conditioning, of your past, of the past traumas, of inherited traumas, of your perceptions about what you should be and how you should be has affected who you are in so many profound ways. As Wayne Dyer said, we don't see things for what they are, we see things for what we are. So the way we are and the way we've understood our lives is how we see our lives. However, that's not the whole reality. And I'd like you to show you a new way of examining what your life is. Joseph Campbell so beautifully said that you must follow your bliss, but before you do, you must slay your dragons. Now, what are those dragons? Your dragons are your fears, your doubts, your perceptions, your expectations, all these things that are incorrectly framed and incorrectly understood need a broader awareness. And I'm going to bring to you that awareness of what your dragons are and what your fears are and how to overcome them and how to integrate them into your life. As the great poet Rumi said, what you seek is seeking you. But we seek outside of ourselves rather than within. And we struggle and fight to achieve those things that we ultimately want. Yet they are within our reach. We just don't know how to look for them. Or that we're not looking with the correct perceptions and the correct awareness. Carl Jung so beautifully said, those that look outside dream. Those that look within awaken. And this awakening from within is what I want to focus on. I want to show you how to get to the depths of your awareness, of your inner peace, of that place inside of you where the truth and the essence of who and what you are resides. I'm excited to present this incredible seminar to you, and I'm really looking forward to meeting all of you and sharing my years of experience with you to show you how close your joy is and how close your bliss can be and what is preventing you from ultimately achieving them. We're going to share powerful exercises on breathing, on visualization, of stillness, of feeling the presence of life within you. And you're going to get to take away a lot of benefit from this. And my intention is that it has a profound shift on your life in every way possible.